This section is titled Implementing Concepts. This video is about rationale behind concepts. So for this video, we are going to the command line, so we'll be able to see the error messages printed out by the compiler without any parsing. So let's take a look at example 1. It has 2 lines of code really, and 2 includes. What it does is that it declares std list of integers and tries to sort them using std_sort algorithm. So let's try to compile this. So this is the error message we get. So let's compile it now with C++20 turned on. As you can see, now the error message is considerably longer. That is most likely because sort has now more overloads. So thanks to GCC highlighting, we can see that this is the problem somewhere inside algorithm code. The iterators, first and last, cannot be subtracted. There are more such errors. Addition also doesn't work. And incrementation. So this is the reason for the overwhelming error message, for which templates are infamous. std_list provides only bidirectional iterator, but std_sort requires a random access iterator. Concepts are supposed to validate template argument types during compile time. So the idea behind concepts is to get rid of this overwhelming error message and print out something better instead. We'll see how this works in later videos.